I'll keep the message very simple. What we're doing, we've shifted in our garden, in our food forest. We are actually growing everything in ground cover state, meaning that we're covering the earth completely. All the benefits are insane. One thing that is very obvious is that the plants grow incredibly well when the ground is completely covered, especially when you have one species together, one crop together, but you do it in such a way that there's no earth showing. The benefits are insane. Something magical happens when you cover the soil with vegetation. The plants reward you with incredible growth. Do these rows and columns mimic nature? No, they don't. What nature does is it covers the entire surface. This is very unnatural, and we are going to make a change. We're going to try not to garden like this anymore. It is just too labor intense. So we want to make a change in our food forest, and we will pass along the results. Less labor and more produce. That's our objective. We have observed the difference. Once the soil is covered with the ground cover completely, everything changes. So stop gardening like this with your rows and columns. It is just too much work and it is madness. So we've approached our seeding process very differently. We are actually adding seeds in an overcrowded fashion where the seeds will take over the entire ground within 2 weeks. These gardens sure do look organized, and with this perfect soil you could grow anything. But it's just, we're looking for a new change. We're going to start seeding in a fashion where the ground will cover itself in 2 to 3 weeks. So we have to start experimenting. Make sure you subscribe and like our videos so that you can follow this test that we've done. And I think it's going to be very beneficial to our garden. And here's how we seed now. We have an abundance of seeds that have the consequence that they're going to cover the earth very quickly. We will deal with the consequences later by thinning and whatever it takes to make this grow. But this here is what our new approach by seeding in en masse. So this might be the way to go. We'll keep you tuned. We're going to do some visuals on what happens in the garden in the next couple of weeks. Unwanted weeds are definitely a testament to what they do to the ground. They cover everything. So why not use your vegetables to do that instead? Try a little patch like this for yourself and give us some feedback.